All right, carb day, part B, over here at Rich's place. How y'all doing? We went ahead over at my house and countersunk and got things happy and brought it over here. And we had a little trouble getting all the bolts in freely. So you know, you'll get that when you're drilling from a pattern or something. You know, we're on a drill press, man. It isn't like you got tenths of thousands, XYZ, and all that stuff. We're doing it by hand. So we had to run a little bit bigger drill bit through the through holes, actually on all of them, just to make sure it, you know, we could move this thing around. And then it helped us get it to line up with the conveyor in there as well. I did do a little bit of conveyor removal to make this intake match up a little better. How will that affect the other intake? Well, what I'm going to do is, before we're done here, we'll take this one off. We'll put the other one on, and then we'll just, if the conveyor is bigger, we'll open that intake up a little bit to match it up. And just a little bit at a time with the air tools. You know, no big deal. It doesn't take very long. But there you go. At this point, we're done with this one. We could take this one off. We'll take it back home and do like we said in that last video. Get us some hardware. Get us the flange located, mounted, mark the inside diameter of that flange, and then go ahead and connect it. Basically, it's connect the dots. It's not rocket science, right? We'll connect the inside diameter of this here that we won't touch with a bigger diameter out here. And the way we'll do that is we'll cover the whole inside of this with either with Dykem, with layout dye, or you can use magic marker, as you see me in these other videos. You can just color it all in with some good permanent magic marker. That way you can see where you're removing material and where you're not. Because you're not going to want to remove anything about a good 1/8 inch to 3/16 of an inch from the end, the inside edge of this thing. You're going to want to do all your removing out here, and then we'll just fudge that last little bit in right at the end, right? So there you go. There's part B done. Big, giant intake, pretty much squared away. We'll tune up this last one to fit the original one to fit the conveyor again. And then, of course, you know, we'll probably pull the reed cage out, just check the reeds real quick. The only time we've got on brand new reeds are three practice runs at Daytona and 1 practice run at Grattan. So that's it. That's all the time, and any warm-up time idling away. So we should be okay. To be honest, I don't think it'll be an issue with having to look at it. We've got 2 or 3 new sets of reeds in the trailer. Just to go test again. If we're going to go racing, then we'll definitely, for surely, pull a thing out and look at it. But we'll probably take a look at it anyway, just because we're already here. But that's it for part B. We'll bring you part C with the big carb, the 40 millimeter carb sitting on there in a bit. That's it. We'll talk to y'all later. Godspeed. Hang in there.